SORA is here, and if you don't know what SORA is, technologically it's about to change the entire world. What I actually believe, I'm going to be even telling you guys more further down this video, but what I genuinely believe is a lot of these people are sourcing this sacred information and knowledge from fallen angels, aka spirits and demons, who are giving them the wisdom to be able to create all of these technology we're seeing, like mind blasting, Apple Vision Pro, all of these. It's about to get worse. And look at what SORA can do. OpenAI have just literally took it to another level. Listen to this.
SORA, there were a lot of DALL-E 1 to 2 to 3 to SORA. There were a lot of people that were dunked on each version, saying it can't do this, it can't do that, and look at it now.
Without a single doubt, SORA is a force to be reckoned with. From what we have seen so far, it has the potential to change the world as we know it. SORA's ability to generate realistic videos with stunning accuracy is impressive, but the implications of this technology could be far more sinister than we realize.
It's going to be net great, but it's going to be like a technological revolution. It's going to be a societal revolution.
OpenAI.
Here are the 10 things that make OpenAI's SORA scarier than you think. Number 1, revolutionizing AI. SORA's abilities are light years ahead of any other AI-driven video creation model. Not only does it generate...
The videos you're going to be seeing on this, that's fake. That doesn't exist. It was generated by a prompt. Insanity. Look at that. Only a couple of years ago, to see something like this, do you know the tremendous amount of work that it would take to recreate something like this? Now you can just create a prompt and it creates it. It recreates it.
SORA's abilities are light years ahead of any other AI-driven video creation model.
The world is
Not only does it generate videos with realism and detail that far surpasses its predecessors, but it also allows for the creation of more complex and dynamic videos. This is due to SORA's ability to process a large amount of data and information, allowing it to make more sophisticated and nuanced decisions about what to include in a video. This is scary because its advancements could easily be exploited for harmful purposes. Because of its realism, it could be used to spread false information that would be nearly impossible to detect. Additionally, its ability to manipulate perception could lead to a breakdown in trust in the media and a rise in conspiracy theories. The implications of this are truly terrifying, and the potential damage that could be caused is almost unfathomable. Number 2. Realistic 60-second videos. With this new standard set by SORA, humans now face the daunting challenge of competing with AI-generated content. In the past, human video creators could take pride in their superior ability to create complex and lengthy videos. But now, with SORA capable of doing the same, the lines between human-made and AI-generated content are blurred. The fact that SORA can produce 60-second videos that appear indistinguishable from real life opens the door to possibilities for deepfakes. We will see more of the trend where political leaders, celebrities, and other public figures could be falsely portrayed as doing or saying things that never happened. This could be used to sway elections, start conspiracy theories, or even incite violence. And with its continuous improvement, it will be increasingly difficult for humans to keep up. What does this mean for the future of human video creators? Will they be rendered obsolete by AI, or will they adapt and find new ways to stand out? Number 3, intricate details. The incredible attention to detail that SORA demonstrates in its videos is a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it is a remarkable achievement, a testament to the power of artificial intelligence. But on the other hand, the hyper-realistic details could lead to a new generation of hoaxes and fabrications that could cause serious harm. SORA can add realistic background details, such as the movement of trees and flags in the wind, flickering shadows from streetlights, and reflections on windows. This could make the video appear authentic, and without scrutiny, these details could lead people to believe that the video is real, even if
I've got an interior architecture degree, I can only imagine the implication of implementing this in like building design or designing a house. You can literally paint. The client no longer has to imagine. They can literally see their house before it's made, recreated by SORA. Especially if you can infuse that with AutoCAD. These are all architectural softwares. or I don't know, Cinema 4D somehow goes in there. I mean, it's a different world. But some people's jobs are they're going to be rendered obsolete. And from a spiritual and biblical perspective, guys, they can even fake an alien invasion just from using technology like this, projected into the sky. Oh, the world the time is near.
This could mean that even those without any background in video editing could create realistic, damaging content. The ease of use also means that the barrier to entry is low. So anyone with an internet connection and a computer could potentially create such content. What is more disturbing is that SORA is a cloud-based service. Videos created with it could be shared and distributed instantly and on a massive scale. Even if a video is flagged as fake or taken down, it could already be in the hands of millions of people. In the age of social media and instant sharing, this presents a huge challenge for combating the spread of misinformation and disinformation. Number 5. SORA's adaptive learning mechanism. SORA's ability to learn and improve over time through an adaptive learning mechanism raises serious questions about the long-term implications of such systems. While this may seem like a positive feature on the surface, it could lead to unintended consequences. For example, if SORA learns from feedback on the videos it generates, it could become increasingly proficient at creating realistic deepfakes. As technology advances, it could become more and more difficult to detect and debunk deepfakes, leading to further confusion and distrust. This also raises the question of who is responsible for the content created by SORA. If SORA is being trained by the public, who is ultimately responsible for the content that it produces? Is it the developers of the software, the people who provide the feedback, or the users who share the content? This is a complex issue that has yet to be resolved. Number 6. Impact on creative industries. SORA's impact on the creative industries and the creative process may be twofold. First, it could lead to job displacement, as many of the tasks traditionally performed by humans could be automated by AI. Second, it could impact the creative process itself, potentially leading to a decrease in the value of creative work. For example, consider the role of a director in a traditional filmmaking process. A director guides the actors and crew to realize their vision for a film, making creative decisions that shape the final product. With an AI like SORA, much of this creative decision-making could be automated. The director's role could be reduced to providing a few text prompts and perhaps giving feedback on the final product. Similarly, consider the role of a cinematographer who is responsible for framing and capturing the visuals of a film. With SORA, this role could be largely automated, as the AI could generate shots based on a simple text description.
Crazy.
While this could save time and money, it could also lead to a massive loss of jobs. Number 7.
People losing their jobs,
unforeseen
100%.
consequences. It's difficult to predict all of the potential consequences of a technology like SORA. Even with the best safety measures and regulations in place, it's impossible to account for every scenario and
For
user.
everything, yeah.
The vast range of possible uses and users means that there is always a risk of unforeseen consequences and misuse. For instance, while SORA may be designed to prevent the generation of violent or harmful content, there is no guarantee that all users will adhere to these restrictions. Even though SORA could also be used to generate videos that are designed to be humorous, there is a risk that they could be misinterpreted or taken out of context, leading to unintended consequences. Then, there's also the potential for SORA to be used solely for malicious purposes, such as creating convincing fake news or propaganda. Number 8. Loss of human touch. With the increasing automation of creative tasks, the personal touch and soulfulness that make human-made art special may be lost. Content will become uniform, as machines are more likely to follow trends and rely on established formulas than humans. In addition, with machines doing the creative work, fewer humans will be involved in the creative process, reducing opportunities for creative expression and reducing the diversity of ideas and perspectives. The prospect of SORA taking over the creative process also raises questions about what it means to be human. If we no longer need to use our creativity and imagination, we may lose sight of what makes us uniquely human. Our capacity for creativity, originality, and emotional expression are essential aspects of our humanity. And if these are replaced by machines, it could lead to a loss of our sense of self.
A bunch of cyborgs about to be
Number
created.
9. One step closer to AGI. With SORA's ability to generate realistic video content from simple text prompts, we may be one step closer to achieving artificial general intelligence. This is a term used to describe AI systems that can perform a wide range of tasks at a level comparable to humans. Such systems would not only be able to generate content like SORA, but also reason, learn, and make decisions. If this goal is achieved, it could have profound implications for our world, as AI systems could be applied to any field or task that currently requires human intelligence.
Isn't it crazy, yeah, that growing up, the whole movies that we've seen, Terminator and all of this, Skynet, this is Skynet being created in real time. So I don't know why people are so it's just, you don't understand what's taking place. You genuinely don't understand. And we've got Neuralink, Elon Musk. If you start to fuse all of this together, you start to see, wait a minute. This is trying to tamper with God's work. It's all a process of transhumanism, pretty much. Cyborg, mixing man and machine. This is what's happening.
Additionally, there is the risk that AGI could be misused or hacked, leading to serious consequences for individuals and
Bitcoin,
society.
Digital
As
money.
such, AI pioneers should be careful of what they create and also make sure that any tool that is created has undergone careful consideration and regulation to ensure that it is used for the benefit of humanity. Number 10. Future uncertainty. The emergence of SORA has created a certain degree of future uncertainty, as we don't know what's next in the world of AI. With the rapid pace of development in this field, it's possible that even more advanced AI models could be created, further blurring the line between what is human and what is machine. This has led to a rapid response from AI companies and researchers, as they race to create even more powerful and sophisticated AI models. For example, following the release of SORA, Google unveiled its text-to-video model called Genie, which can animate static images and add lifelike movement to them. At the same time, the company Pika released LipSync, a model that can generate realistic lip-syncing videos from text prompts. These developments demonstrate that AI is advancing at an unprecedented rate, with new capabilities being developed at an astonishing speed.
Is it advancing at a stupendous rate, or did they already have these technology pre-created and they were just waiting for a time to release them? Answer that in the comment section down below. I'm telling you guys right now.
The company Pika released LipSync, a model that can generate realistic lip-syncing videos from text prompts. These developments demonstrate that AI is advancing at an unprecedented rate, with new capabilities being developed at an astonishing speed. Many experts have called for increased regulation of AI to ensure that it is developed and used safely and ethically. However, others argue that any attempts to regulate AI will only stifle innovation and slow down progress. This is a dilemma, as we want to reap the benefits of AI while also protecting against its potential harm.
Dangers.
What is certain is that AI will continue to transform our world, and we must be prepared for the changes that lie ahead. Whether we embrace or resist AI, it is clear that it is here to stay, and will play a major role in our future.
That's exactly what I'm talking about. Since you've realized that AI is here to stay, you might as well use it to your advantage. It's the exact same thing. You could use something for good or something for bad. You could use something for good or something for bad. Something that they use to cook with. Let's just say a sharp object that's used to cut up food to be able to cook with. You can use that to make prepared food, like home-cooked meals, something that's amazingly prepared, or to destroy somebody with, if you get exactly what I'm talking about. It's YouTube, so I'm being safe, all right? So now that we've understood that, can AI be used for evil, matching some biblical text, Armageddon, Revelations, read into Revelations more so you can see what I mean. Can it be used? Well, if spiritual things, spiritual deities or spirits can possess objects and make them move and shake to scare you, like the haunted movies we've all seen of things, objects possessed. Chucky, Annabelle, all of these haunted movies, they possessed objects, you know. They get an object and starts levitating. Ooh, there's a ghost in the room. So if they can possess object, my whole thing is they can possess robots. It's an object, right? They can possess the computer, AI, glitch, like a message appears. So you get the gist as to where I'm going with. So there's a lot of potential for a tremendous amount of evil to come out of this. The whole thing that's happening with CERN that you guys have heard me mention. If anyone else knows some other details, comment in the comment section down below as well to fill me in. If anyone else is a research junkie, they get into, you know, the rabbit hole gets deeper, they dive into certain things like this, let me know in the comment section down below as well. But the world is getting crazier by the day as we speak. And I'm just super curious to see as to where things are going to turn out. So if this is something that you're interested in, obviously the description is there. There's also a link in there for you. But more so, the comment section is where I want you guys to literally just fire away and just let me know what is going on. The whole SORA thing, the whole AI movement, what is taking place. And obviously, seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and everything else will be added on to you. But spiritually, I see some other crazy stuff coming out of this. Imagine a possessed robot. As I've always said, spirits can possess anything. So imagine a robot that's possessed by an evil spirit. If a spirit can possess a rocking chair, a chair's moving, ooh, all my days, spiritually, like, I'm not going into that house, it's haunted. Why? There's doors that start slamming by themselves. So if spirits are possessing doors, how about an AI or a robot? It's just an object, right? Possessed by an evil spirit. Go kill, destroy all the Christians. I'm telling you right now, it sounds crazy, but it's where we're going down. So if you don't know what SORA is, do more research into SORA. Check it out. Do more research into CERN. You'd think I'm making these things up, but it's literally on YouTube. CERN, they're trying to open up portals and bring in more spirits and demons. They're worshipping Baphomet. Scary stuff. So go ahead and do all of that. And let me know in the comment section down below. But God bless you all. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on another video. So smash the like button. Do all of that crazy stuff. And yeah, man. Oh yeah, subscribe as well. I don't need to tell you that. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.